YouTube? It's Mike again. Just wanted to show you my weekly update on my model railroad. I haven't gotten much done because I'm trying to find parts on eBay. It's hard to find parts. I'm trying to find bridges for the river I told you about, but the sizes are just not there for me. Like I can get a bridge for like 15 inches long, but I need one like half the size of that. So, I mean, that's one option. My other option is maybe making the river wider, put a barge in the river, and do like a crane elevator from the rail tracks to the barge, so the train can go to the barge and unload the coal or sand or rocks, whatever you want to call it, I guess. So, but yeah. And then I made the river, but painted it blue. I'm testing it blue, so hopefully that works. So, then I'm gonna start working on the top level. I just ordered parts from eBay last night, and I last night I ordered a shit ton loads of buildings for the quarry and stuff, like 6 buildings. So because I just want to get this sand quarry scene done and over with, and go on to the next section of the layout. So hopefully I get it done within the 2 weeks. Just depends what the shipping is. Cause like a couple months ago I ordered track from eBay from a guy. He was from New Jersey. Took it 3 weeks from New Jersey to Connecticut to come here. And I complained about it, and there's a port over in the shore, I guess, and I don't know what's going on there, but I just spoke my mind to them, and they just found it and shipped it to me within a few days. So, anywho, what was I saying? But, yep. But, yeah, I'll show you my, the stuff that I've done, and I'll show you the top level, and, yeah. Let me try to figure out how to do this right here. Yeah, so I gotta do this here, cause man, come on, dude, cameras. Yeah, and yeah, one thing I want to say is I'm gonna be getting a cam. I'm looking on Amazon for a camera so I can do it professionally. I'm doing this on my phone. Audio is not great. I posted a video, my unboxing video, and I was saying the video came out great, but the audio was terrible. So I gotta edit videos. I gotta try to edit videos. I haven't done it. I mean, so, but I'll show you my what I've done. Enough of me blabbing my mouth off and trying to see what's. Oh my god. Okay. Yeah. So here's the bridge I built. It was out of plywood, and I'm not liking it. It's not fitting to scale because the thickness of the plywood and stuff. So So I gotta maybe make it out of like styrene or plastic. Then here's the river. Floor leveler on there. And I tested it out for painting. It's right there. Gonna do that and put the clear stuff on it. So that's that with that. And then I start making the roads. To go to the sand quarry. Made out of that concrete stuff I was telling you about in the video ago. Went over the tracks. Goes pretty good. And then I got the rock quarry all set up. Put that in levels. I got my trucks here. It's right there. So, yeah. Pretty good. And that's what I done with the top level. And then I'm gonna be putting all these buildings I was telling you about right where you see the trucks and stuff. Putting a shop, two shops, shop with a shop with the office, and then a bigger silo than this gray silo, and a whole ton of silos I'm gonna be putting in here. So then that's what I've done with that. Forgot to tell you guys where you see the tape measure. That's thinking about. I'm thinking about extending the river there, and then putting a barge there, and a tugboat to pull the barge instead of running the river right through here because I can't find no bridges. So that's an option I might think about doing. So I probably gotta give it like 2 or 3 weeks to make up my mind. Takes time and a lot of changes. I've been doing this on this layout since I originally thought about doing it. So then I'll show you my top level on the layout here. This is where my rear yard is going to be doing. Right there. So I extend row the track to park my cars. So be a good thing. Don't mind the lamp there. I gotta get a lamp for the ceiling. But yeah, it's there. So far, I'm gonna be working on it probably this week, trying to like going to be gluing down the outer tracks and stuff. So yeah, and yeah, that's all I have. Yeah, because all my stuff I ordered this week's coming next week. Then part of me doing how-to videos like putting down the ballast, solder rail joiners to track, run it to your feeder wires, then run those feeder wires to your controllers and set up blocks for DC. Yeah, that putting down the fake grass, the sand, putting down the roads and stuff. So I'll be doing how-to videos about that. So if you like my channel and videos, smash that like button and subscribe and put a comment below. Thank you, and see you in the next video. Bye.